Hi, I'm Turner Slaughter.
Hi, I'm Francisco Zanos.
I'm Shane Palmer.
I'm Christian Torres.
And I'm Antonio Espinoza, and we are
Koala Corp.
Here at Koala Corp, we've noticed a significant communication gap between teachers and students. By combining an educational app with social media, we've created Ulti-Ed, an app that aims to make it significantly easier for students and teachers to communicate with one another.
Ulti-Ed is an app geared towards students and teachers. Most students, when they see an educational app, they tend to shy away from it due to the fact that these apps are generally boring, unattractive, and useless outside of a strictly educational environment.
To address this problem, we analyzed the flaws of existing educational apps and created an app that delivers a powerful yet simple user experience.
If students were to spend a fraction of the time that they spend on other social media platforms on our app, then we could make learning spread as virally as the latest cat video.
The design process that aligns with STEM is as follows. We identified a problem, we identified the design constraints, we developed possible solutions, we selected the best possible solution, we created a preliminary model and a conceptual plan that will be shown later, we tested and evaluated our solution through surveys that we sent throughout the school. We communicated our solution through social media and received even more feedback. Then we refined the design as needed.
And without further ado, for the moment you've all been waiting for, Ulti-Ed.
On the teacher version, you have the ability to post notifications and reminders to the homepage. Students will then be able to see these posts on their homepage.
If you were to press the menu drop-down button on the student version, you would be presented with a few options. You can choose your profile, which is John Smith in this case. You could choose your courses, which shows you all of the courses that you're taking currently. You could change settings and you can log out. If you were to pick the name right there, then you would be taken to your profile. Here in your profile, you'll be able to write and edit your bio, you'll be able to view grades that you have in classes, you'd be able to view the number of points you have, and you'd be able to view any messages that you got. The point system that we have here is set up so that teachers can select rewards that you would get for a certain number of points. For example, if you were to get 1,000 points, you would get out of a test or something along those lines. And the way this works is because the way that you get points is by helping out other students on different subjects in our tutor section. So we figure that the more people you're able to help and help well, the more of a mastery it shows on that subject. So the more points you get, the more mastered you are in that area.
Okay, once you click the Tutor tab, you're taken to this screen where you can either receive help or help others around the country. After you've clicked either one of these options, you're taken to this screen which shows different subjects. Say I click math. You're taken to a screen like this, where someone has posted a question that you can answer, and even add like a file to help explain.
When the QR reader tab is chosen, you are sent to this screen. The idea is that there will be a QR code in each classroom near the entrance that students can scan as they walk in. Every student that scans the code is automatically marked as present. This can save around 10 minutes every class period that can be spent on educating.
Now on to some of the key features of the teacher version. It's pretty much the same idea as the student version. If you press the menu drop-down box here, you have your profile, you have settings, and you have log out. Just simply click on your profile and you're taken to this screen. Right here you can change your contact information under Contact Teacher. You can view any of your feedback through Feedback, and you can also edit your bio.
Once the My Classes tab is selected, you are shown a list of your classes. And once a class is selected, you are shown the list of students in that class. From there, you can search for a student or organize it in alphabetical order, or by grade ranking, which will show which student needs the most help. Or you can just send a message to the whole class. And when the students click, you are sent to this screen where you can just contact the student, contact the parent, or simply add points. And from here, you can assign a detention, and here it shows the grade.
In addition, we plan to make Ulti-Ed a multilingual app. This concludes our presentation. Thank you for reviewing our app and have a nice day.